This is an African wild cat kitten, a native species found in most parts of Africa and some parts of Asia and the Middle East. They're mostly nocturnal hunters, spending their days hiding in the bush. They're about twice the size of the common house cat, with longer legs. They weigh anywhere from 7 to about 16 pounds. Female wildcats are smaller. They were bred and domesticated some 10,000 years ago. African wildcats are the living ancestor of domesticated house cats. It's why they look and behave similar to house cats. The danger for the African wildcat is hybridization.
Well, that hurts a little bit. Ooh.
They're interbreeding with domesticated cats and losing their genetic diversity. The population of purebred wildcats is in the decline. In South Africa, they're considered pests because of poultry and livestock kills. African wildcats are distinguished from house cats by the reddish-orange color on the back of their ears. They also have tabby-like stripes down their chest and legs. And the bottom of their paws are solid black. But ultimately, a genetic test is the only way to affirm purebred wildcats. Okay. Enough about wildcats. What's their purr sound like? Very much like your house cat, with a rapid rate vibrato.
Her purr is barely audible. It's incredible. Hey, kitty. Look at the face there. You see how they got the masking of that white on her, above her eyebrow there, right by her eye, and underneath her eye. That's because she is a nighttime hunter. that helps reflect light, starlight into her eyes so she can see better. So she's mainly a nighttime hunter, chasing mice and things. Is she beautiful? All right, so for the African Wild Cat.
I just love cat purrs. It's an extraordinary soothing sound to my ears. Proven by science to have some healing properties. Maybe that's why. If you like this video, please share it and give a thumbs up. And consider joining my channel.
Join my coalition.